I'm Kevin DeLong. I'm the supervisor of Graceland Cemetery and also the street department of Knoxville, Iowa. I think the possibilities are endless, what you can use a machine for. We have a water tank we put in the back. We water sod at the cemetery in the spring. We water flowers on the square. We have a broom that we can sweep stuff with. We've got 2 buckets, a tooth bucket and a non-tooth bucket that we use on it. As you can see, we can't really get the concrete truck close to all the holes, so we're using it to move the concrete from the truck to the holes where we can shovel it out and fill the holes for the posts. And winter, we also use the broom, and we've got a spreader that goes in the back that we put ice melt in. And so as we do sidewalks, we also can put material down, and it's a one-pass operation. We use that for City Hall, the library, all the city entities, rec center, all the parks, all the sidewalks that the city has to maintain themselves. This is a lot more versatile, and you can maneuver it in places you can't the big loader. And so actually it saves a lot of actual manpower. I mean, you know, places we'd have to get in and shovel out or sweep out, we can get to it with this machine. If you can drive a car, you can drive it. Forward, reverse, and then there's a high and a low speed. And other than that, it steers just like a car. So you got your gas pedal and your brake. Yeah, when you're a municipality and you run on the taxpayers' dollars, you try to give them the best possible service you can for the least amount of money, and we feel that this machine does a lot for them. I mean, it does replace 3 or 4 other machines.